The outside washroom. This is very important in a farm. Here we have our outside washroom, and this is the male side. We have the urinal for men, and we have also a bathroom for them to take a shower. And then we have the toilet, and this toilet is actually a flush toilet. And then we have the other side, which is for the females. And here we have also a shower and a toilet. When you come to work in our farm, it's important that you take a shower and then change into the working clothes. And when you finish your day, you take a shower again and you change into your home clothes and you walk home looking nice and smelling nice and clean. That's why we have these outside washrooms, which is the toilets and the bathrooms. We also have hot water in our showers so that in the cold weather you can enjoy a nice shower. This is very ideal for the people who come to work in our farm and then go home in the evening. Also for our security guards and anybody else who comes into the compound to do some repairs, to build, or to just temporarily do something in the farm. So this is very easy to clean. We just take a hose pipe and then we wash it with some jig, that's chlorine, and with some soap. And we can use the windows at the back as ventilation, or we can leave the doors open. It's very clean and very nice. Thank you.